Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to convert text to path and edit it in Krita. So first we need to delete paint layer, so I click right mouse button here and I click remove layer. Now we need to add here a new vector layer, so I go to arrow and I click add vector layer. Now I go to text, I click on text tool and I create here a text. For example, I will type here placeholder text and I will change font size maybe to 16th. Then I click save and I click close. Our text has been successfully created here. So now you need to go to this one tool. It is edit shapes tool. Now we click right mouse button on the text and we need to click to path. Here you need to go to this one tool, select shapes tool, and you need to click right mouse button on the text. Now you need to click ungroup, and if you will go back to edit shapes tool, you will be able to edit your text. For example, I will change this letter, I will change this letter, and maybe this letter, yeah. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And if you want, you can always support me from links in description.